Cambly learners, my name is Elizabeth and I'm a tutor on Cambly. Today you'll be learning about Business English Communication Essentials Part 2. We will start by reviewing what is Business English. In general, Business English is a form of English that's commonly used in international trade, commerce, and finance. It's often used in business presentations, negotiations, business meetings, and business reports. Why are business communication skills essential? Well, you get ahead of your work. Improving your professional business vocabulary and knowledge results in you working more efficiently, and it also opens new career opportunities. So, in this video, we'll discuss some more business English communication tips. Tip number 1. Set SMART goals and objectives. What does SMART stand for? SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This is way easier than it seems. Just think about these questions. What exactly do you want to achieve? What are the skills that you want to improve? How much time can you dedicate to this journey? Make sure your questions and answers are honest and accurate so you can determine how much commitment and time you need to accomplish your goal. Tip number 2, prioritize what you need to learn. As you can't learn all business English expressions at once, you can implement the use it or lose it rule. Make a list of scenarios in which you use business English. Example, phone conversation, writing emails, presentations, or negotiations. Check the most common phrases that are used by native speakers. And you can make a reservation with a Cambly tutor in order to get more knowledge and support on this. Also, don't worry about memorizing all the expressions at once. Start with 1 or 2 for each specific case and build on that. Tip 3, prepare. Why is it important to prepare? Well, when you're speaking, this is a live performance, so you can't delete a word or a sentence with poor grammar. Script it out and practice. This helps you present your ideas clearly and with confidence. Include a variation of responses in your script. Also, answer some potential questions on your own that you can get from the audience. Tip 4, practice. Speak English as often as you can, as speaking often combined with an active learning approach yields success. What can you do to practice? Well, you can take every chance you have to speak English. Don't fear of making mistakes when you're speaking. Don't worry about getting it right or perfect the first time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Also, how can you practice outside of your English Cambly lessons? Well, you can schedule virtual hangouts with friends or colleagues abroad. You can speak up in business meetings or presentations. You can participate or hold a brainstorming session with your colleagues. And you can use Meetup. It's an app where you can meet expats in your area. Tip 5, think in English. Why is this useful? Well, this helps with stress management, searches your memory for verbs, adjectives, and nouns, and there's some psychological benefits as well. It prioritizes your thoughts, slows down anxious thoughts, and it helps you think about one thing at a time. Before you know it, you'll be planning out your next project and thinking about your tasks entirely in English. Tip 6, which is one of the most important tips, is enjoy the process. The ultimate secret of learning and remembering new information is simple. You must enjoy the process. Why? Well, a positive mindset and attitude results in improving your business English communication skills faster. You put more effort and energy into things that you enjoy. It's important to engage with content and activities that you find interesting, challenging, and beneficial for your career. So immerse yourself in the world of business English communication, and remember, learning by doing is the most effective way to understand how a language and a culture works. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native speakers like me. You can take your English lesson anytime, anywhere from your phone or computer. So schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much and looking forward to having a lesson with you. Bye!